Hey guys, this is your girl Cassie. Welcome back to my cooking channel, Flavor Fusion with moi. And for today, conversation is all about the World Cup and Haiti because Haiti is in the World Cup for the first time, well, for the second time, basically. And today, I want to share a couple of recipes with you if you are hosting any parties or a wash party, and also a bit about the culture. Take our Akra here, and those are the ingredients that I'm using for the Akra. So I already have some of them. So basically here, this is our Taro. This is what I use here, and I'm gonna show you guys what I did with it. So I peel it off, right? And then so I grate it. So I'm gonna do this one so you can see how I've done it, basically. So the other things that we are using, I think I mentioned that before, it's a crab meat. So I'm gonna go ahead and spice up our crab meat a bit here because I am going to make a sauce with the crab meat. Okay, so I just add my piece in there, which is my Creole Spice, and then I am adding a bit of salt in here. I do not want to overdo it, okay? And a bit of salt seasoning, and this is the remaining of the garlic powder and white pepper here, and also I am adding a bit of cayenne pepper. Tell you guys, this is amazing. And then this is smoked paprika in here, right? So I'll just put the measurements on there for you. And then this is a bit of lemon juice in here because this is seafood, so seafood does need all the time, I guess, like for us anyways. Haitian food is also citrus. Basically it's a mix of African and French cuisine, so it's citrusy a bit, so we do use lemon and lime, most likely lime, a lot, right? Especially when it comes to our seafood and our meat, so we use it a lot. And again, the crab meat, it's me, of course, I'm using that because food is supposed to be fun. I always say that. So why not have it fun with it, right? And it's a fusion, so who cares? But most of the time they use chicken, Taro or malanga. In Creole we say malanga. So I cut the head and the top here, and then I just peel it off. So I just don't want to put it here just because I already have so many things on my board, and basically that's how this is our thyme here. I have to rest it since it fell, so it's slippery usually. And then so what I do, I'm just gonna grate it here. You can use like whichever side. I mean, I use both for me, so I want a mix of a big, not too big, and then fine at the same time. So that's what I do. And our thyroid here, of course I have to use my Creole Spice in here. I am going to use that seasoning salt, but you have to be really careful because remember, you are using also that crab meat. You want everything to balance, not salty, right? And I am going to add a bit of this paprika in here as well. And then I have these fresh chives in here. I am going to cut it really small, and I am going to add some in there as well. And remember, Akra, you guys, it's usually a delicacy as well, so it's used as an appetizer at parties, and it's used as a street food. Like I said, it's the food, like Haitian food, is really very versatile, and you can elevate it based on the occasion. And as fritters or street food, a lot of time I don't know really. I would have to ask. I'm not sure if they add anything, but I know for parties for sure they add chicken, basically, which would be like a chicken farce instead of the crab. But of course, we want to have fun. So anyway, so I just add the chives in there. I also added my spices in here, um, and fresh parsley as well. And then this is some rosemary, but for the rosemary, I'm gonna add that in the crab here. Okay, and this is some thyme, and the thyme I am adding that in here as well. And I have some garlic. For the garlic, of course, like for the fresh garlic, I am using that. I'm using it for the crab to make the farce, and I mix everything because I want to flavor it. We are going to make our farce here with the crab, and this is how it looks. We are also using shallot to make the farce, and also these mixed peppers here. I am going to add that in our Taro. Usually Akra is c'est pimenté, like it's hot with pepper, basically. So you want to balance it, but you want to have the pepper also in there. Have some fresh garlic here. We are making our farce, okay? And let me get our shallot here. I think I'll show you guys that. This one was I chopped it really really fine. It's really just for flavor here. And this is our crab, basically. Really, like the farce should not take that long. Remember, we add everything in here. We add our spices. I am going to add some black pepper in here, and also a bit of this smoked paprika, black pepper. And really, I do not want to do a whole lot with it, just because we add spices in everything else that we have here. Right? And I'm just adding a bit more herbs here, like rosemary. Basically, I just want to taste, oh my god, like with my spices in there, like that's it. Because you don't want it to be overwhelmed. Basically, you just want to balance your flavor, guys. There you go. And some lemon juice again. And really, this saute here a bit or this fast. Crab is ready to be mixed with our Taro here. There you go. We are going to mix everything here, like our farce. We are going to mix that with the crab. Or we are going to mix the crab, the farce in the Taro here. Okay, I am going to add, I like to use that small, the small pan, basically, but if you have a fryer also, you can use it. So what you do, you take, basically this, I wash my hands, by the way. You want to wash your hands, you want to make sure you don't have anything under your nails, if you have long nails, right? And then so basically you take like a spoon, so it depends. Some people like to make them long, some people make them round. I actually like them long like that myself. And then so you just make them and basically you fry. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look how beautiful they look. This is how they look golden. Oh, so delish. Look at this.